Thank you for joining me for the daily message today. Once again today, I want to read a brief selection from a collection of the addresses of Pope Francis from a book entitled Believe in Love, Inspiring Words from Pope Francis, published by Franciscan Media. The selection today is entitled Saints at Home, Saints Everywhere. Many times, we are tempted to think that sainthood is reserved only to those who have the opportunity to break away from daily affairs in order to dedicate themselves exclusively to prayer. But this is not so. Some think that sanctity is to close your eyes and to look like a holy icon. No, this is not sanctity. Sanctity is something greater, deeper, which God gives us. Indeed, it is precisely in living with love and offering one's own Christian witness in everyday affairs that we are called to become saints.